welcome to my new discussion for beginners. You know, there's so much involved in the sport of freestyle, but don't let that discourage you because you've got a coach that can walk you through the steps. And maybe a puppy too, maybe. So the first thing that you want to work on is understanding positions to move in, such as heel position, right position, and what I call center, which is a front-facing position with your dog's nose lined up with your belly button. So it's directly in front of you. Those three positions moving as a team is what I would be working on most of the time. Now the second thing I would work on are transitions, moving from one of those positions to another. In other words, from heel to right or from right to center. A tip for you, I'm not big on new handlers watching YouTube videos because you're going to see some of the best work, and that's not where you're at right now. You don't want to be trying the things that you see there. So what you want to do, though, is look at videos and go, I see a transition there. Identify the transition. I see how that person got from heel to center. I see how that person got from center to right. I'll try that. Okay. Mastering those transitions is where you build repertoire. And instead of thinking of, I got to get my dog to zoom around backwards and this and that. No, transitions are what are important right now, especially at this stage. I have an opportunity for you. I'm doing a free Zoom discussion on February 20th at either noon or 4 o'clock Pacific time, and you're welcome to join me. There's no charge for it, and it'll last about 30 to 40 minutes. So if you're interested in joining me to learn what steps you're going to take as a beginner or even advanced beginner in freestyle, then send me an email at judy@dogscandance.com and I'll add you to the list and welcome you into that discussion. So I hope I hear from you soon, and I will be back next Thursday with more tips for beginners.